Hey everybody, Walter here from Motiva. Just wanted to take a moment today and show you some of the tools that we use to stay connected when we're not in the office, which happens a lot for us. These tools will help you still feel like you're connected with your peers. One of those tools that I'm talking about is called Microsoft Teams. And if you are a member of Office 365, you already have this tool. It is free for you. If you don't, head on over to Microsoft.com and get a free trial, and you'll feel a little better communicating with your team day to day. So let me show you what the tool looks like. Teams is a chat communication product that allows you to communicate directly with your team, as well as having video conferences and everything else. So let me show you how you get to open Teams. So head on over to portal.microsoft.com and just simply log in with your credentials provided by your IT administrator or your IT provider. Click on Next and enter your password. I highly suggest enabling multi-factor authentication for higher security. This is where it sends you a text to your telephone and you can enter it here. This is the first screen that comes up when you log into the Microsoft portal. I want you to click on Microsoft Teams, and when you're at the Microsoft Teams level, you have the option to either download the app or you can use the web portal. For this demonstration, I use the web portal, but I highly suggest to download the application on your computer as well as your mobile devices. But what you're looking at right now is the communication with my team. I just want to show you a little bit about the layout on Office 365 Microsoft Teams. One of those is this section right here is your menu. So here's where you will have personal chats with individuals. This is your teams. Every Microsoft Teams account comes with one general team created. You will have access to your calendar as well. In our case, we actually use this for telephone calls too. And you have access to all activities that are happening right now. So let's just spend some time with the general channel, which is where I think most people will spend a lot of time. So on this general channel is where all the members of your team already exist. As you can see here, I'm having a conversation with different members of my team. So you can start by typing in any of these boxes. If I wanted to get David's attention, I'm going to use the @ symbol and mention David. I don't have to do it, but if I do that, he'll get a notification immediately that I'm trying to communicate with him. Notice how right now I have an option to reply to the same conversation. This is what we call threads. So this will be one conversation, this is a different conversation. If I go over David's name without clicking anywhere, I can see that I can do all these communications right here. I can actually do a video phone call if you happen to have a webcam, and I can do an audio call directly from Microsoft Teams. See, David replied to me, and because he had mentioned me, I got that notification. If I just type and I don't put David's name, he's not going to get a notification, but the channel still does. So that means that if he looks at the channel, he will see that there's an unread notification for that channel. I use @mentions because I like to mention people when I'm talking to them. It makes it more personal. So that's the basic communication. You can even do a couple of little things like give it a quick thumbs up on that conversation. Maybe you loved it. There's other things you could do with it, but you could do emojis if you want. And that's in a nutshell how you start a basic conversation inside Microsoft Teams. So there you have it, my friends. I know this doesn't replace the human contact and being next to our peers and sharing ideas. However, during these times, this might be the best we have for right now. Go ahead and post some comments below. This is my email address. I'll be checking it. If you have any questions, you need help setting this up, please give us a call. Our number is right below, as well as our email. Thank you very much. Stay safe.